Good morning, the students of class 3. Now, it's a grammar class and today we will learn negative sentences. Okay, at first, let me give an example. He is a teacher. Do you know this teacher? Teacher teaches us, okay? He is not a teacher. Okay, he is a teacher, he is not a teacher. Who can tell me what is the difference between two sentences? He is a teacher, he is not a teacher. You have to remember also here two different kinds of sentences. It is called positive and it is called negative. Positive and negative. He is a teacher means yes, positive. He is not a teacher, not means negative, okay? So no, yes or no, he is a teacher, positive, and he is not a teacher, negative. Remember the words like never, no, not, the words like never, no, not are only used in the negative sentences, okay? Now, another example. Now, how to change positive sentences into negative sentences by adding not, by adding no, okay? Now, open at page number 15 of your book and read the examples, okay? If we can make a sentence into negative sentences by adding no or not, like the pond has no, sorry. And also placing not after is, am, are, like she is a pilot. Who can tell me, is it negative sentence or positive sentence? She is a pilot. There is no word in the sentence like no, not, never. So it's a positive sentence. Positive sentence. How to change the positive sentence into negative sentence now? Who can tell me? She is a pilot. Placing not after is. So she, tell me louder. She is not a pilot. She is a pilot. Positive sentence or yes. She is not a pilot. So negative sentence. Another example, another rules for you. We can change a positive sentence into a negative sentence by adding not after shall, will, can. Like he can walk. He can walk. He can not walk. He can walk. He cannot walk. Cannot. The first one is positive sentence or yes. Positive sentence means there is yes. And second one is he cannot walk. Se haঁটতে পারে না, okay? He cannot walk. So it's negative sentence or no, okay? Now, very important rule for you, do or does. How to use do or does. Follow your book at page number 16. How to use do or does. Now, That is also rule and recite like a rhyme. I, you, they, do, he, she, it, does. Remember it carefully and recite like a rhyme. I, you, they, do, he, she, it, does. Okay. Now, if we write these sentences, okay. Now, page number 16, tick the correct sentences and scroll the wrong one. First sentence, I not like to read storybooks. I not like to read storybooks. Now tell me, is it right or wrong? I not. But what I say, I, you, they do. So, and it is not. So the sentence is wrong. But if I write, I do not like, I do not, then the sentence is right. Okay. Now you have to done the other sentences and recite the rhyme. I, you, they do, he, she, it does. Okay. Another example for you. Choose the correct option. Sonu dash surprised. Sonu dash surprised. Sonu surprised. Ed, so Sonu is not surprised. Okay. So have you got it? Okay. Thank you.